Take a ride in the 2018 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, traction control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.